Yeah, that's beautiful. Yep. Nice. You figure the nut's going to take up at least that. Perfect. Well, I just mocked this up to show it on IG, so I figured, well, I might as well shoot some, just a little bit here for YouTube if I put a video together or whatever. So these are not tightened down, and that's just a 3D printed cap as a placeholder, but I need to make them in aluminum. Anyway, part of the reason these arms actually came out within a few thou. Close enough, actually, that I think I probably could have done these in one piece. They just take a whole lot more material. I get water jet blanks, that kind of stuff. The reason I did it this way is in case there was discrepancy, because when I had to do them on the manual lathe, it was almost impossible to get that length perfect. And I figured out how to get it perfect on the mill, blah, 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 but I figured out how to get it perfect on the 15L this time. And anyway, that little bit of slop in there allows this to vary. So if guys actually want to buy the rubber cups boots that go on the ends here, I think there's enough room there to open that up. You got to put them on before you assemble it, but I think that would do it. But anyway, I still need to figure out the bolts. Typically what I did with the other ones, you know, on the other style I had these misalignment washers on there. It's not needed because these don't misalign. They're just simply one axis rotation. And that cone is built into the end of the cross shaft anyway. So most likely what I'll do is I'll take a washer like this and it'll go on the end here. And I do that just kind of as a safety thing. If that ball were to blow out of here for whatever reason, that would just help keep the rod end trapped on there. So it's not really needed. I've just done it on the others. Kind of makes me feel a bit more comfortable, whatever. These, it won't really matter because there's not a huge bit of load front and back like there are with the angled ones. Like that one.